knock me out the tree. Now
I was
I'm
thinking
on
more
my
of a.
knees. Cover me.
Can you hear us now? Can you hear me?
Darling.
Can anybody hear me? Can you hear us now?
Monkey.
Previously on TWiT.
Coming up next on Hands on Windows, we're going to take a look at how you can customize the lock and sign-in screens in Windows 11.
FLOSS Weekly.
Our guest, Greg Crowell-Hartman, is a fellow of the Linux Foundation. He's currently responsible for the stable Linux kernel releases.
So you need to put processes in place to catch everybody, all the bugs. So I want our testing tools and processes and infrastructure to catch all the bugs that I write, because infamously I have written some pretty bad security bugs over the years, and fix them later. But it's just the way it goes. We're all human.
Tech News Weekly.
Amazon looking to cut costs, particularly in its devices area. I feel like that is because Amazon's realizing that they can't just throw a bunch of money at a house robot that nobody wants and expect that they're not going to lose money there. So they just need to take their focus off of like twerking bears and other strange products that people don't really want.
the bear.
TWiT.
It was hilarious, but like pointless.